Oliver decided to be brave and create a secret gaming base. His small bedroom had a simple layout, just a bed and a wardrobe, with no privacy. As a gaming lover, he was often scolded by his mom, and there wasn't even enough room for a desk. Fed up with the situation, he decided to clear everything out and start fresh. He welded a stepped bed frame against the wall using galvanized steel, covered it with eco-friendly wood veneer, and added a large, comfy mattress with soft cushions on the sides for safety. Under the bed, Oliver created a large corner wardrobe to hang his stylish clothes and store out-of-season bedding, with pull-out baskets for shorts, pants, and socks. A light gauze curtain gave the area the feel of a private dressing room. For added security, he installed an iron guardrail and a movable bookcase next to the bed, which connected to a suspended desk by the window, forming a study area complete with a small black